Hi, my name is Matt Copen, coming to you from ISE 2020. We're standing in the Kramer Electronics booth, and we're introducing Kramer KronoMeet. Last year at ISE, we teased KronoMeet. We got tremendous feedback, and now we're officially launching the product. KronoMeet is Kramer's approach to enterprise room management and scheduling. It allows you to mount a panel outside of the room to show the room's schedule. It allows you to reserve the room directly from the panel. It integrates with your top calendar programs, Microsoft Exchange, Office 365, and Google Suite. It also has a cloud-based dashboard management platform that allows you as an IT administrator to not only administer all the calendars, but also change the panels to make sure they look the way that you want to, add your customers' logos, as well as track device status and health. For more information, you can visit us at www.kramerAV.com.